how to use Tangem Wallet with Binance. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tangem Wallet with Binance. First, download and install the Tangem Wallet app on your phone. Then, activate your Tangem card by following the in-app setup. Now, open the Binance app and log into your account. Here, go to Wallets, select Spot, and choose the crypto you want to withdraw. After that, tap Withdraw and select the network supported by Tangem. In the Tangem app, copy your wallet's public address. Following that, paste the address into the Binance withdrawal field and enter the amount. Then, confirm the transaction in Binance with two-factor authentication. Lastly, check the Tangem app to see the funds arrive in your wallet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.